we've got Dr. Steve Chameau here from Delta, Utah. He's on an elk hunt. It's opening morning. Down on this saddle down here, a few hundred yards, we've spotted what we think is a real nice bull. He's at least a 6 point, maybe even has a little 7th point. And we're going to head down there and see if we can get Steve here his first bull elk. You ready? Yeah, let's go. Good shot. Take him again. Good shot. Hit him again, Steve. Great shooting. No, great. I'm watching him. Hit him again if you can. There, he's down. Woo!
Is he down?
He's down. Great shooting, dude.
Great. Get any better than this. Found him in draw, first light, feeding. There's 3 of them together. This is the best of them. Ivory tip. Antlers here. We spotted him across the way over there, about probably 600-700 yards away. Took a road around and snuck up over the top on him. Good shot, about 100 yards, 150 yards. Down hard. He started rolling on the mountain, came down here and finished him off. Doesn't get any better than this, baby.
No, it's a great bull. He's a 6x7, just starting at 7th point on the one side. Well, we're up here with South Creek Outfitters. We're on a big mountain. We're with Steve Chameau out of Delta, Utah. He's hunting his first elk, and we got rained on pretty hard last night. Didn't know quite what to expect this morning, and sure enough we came up over a ridge, and there were 3 bulls, and so we made our way around the ridge, found this one, great 6x7. He was about 150 yards away, would you say?
Yeah.
Steve's a deadeye. That first shot was a death blow, and these big, majestic elk, you know, you got to hit them a few times, but it was a great shot. It was a great stock. Just couldn't have worked out any better for us. It's a beautiful elk, and got some unique character with his fronts joining up like that. And I don't know. This is your first elk. What do you think, man?
That was awesome. Nothing does not get better than this. Thank Gary and his group here at South Creek Outfitters. This is awesome. This is awesome. It's gorgeous, beautiful weather. The wind was to our back, and so he was starting to wind us a little bit. And just got a good shot.
Yeah, he's a great bull. It was a great shot. You know, there was no. He was done that first shot. He was dead. It's amazing just how it all works out perfectly sometimes, and that's what happened this morning. We've got a whole nother group of guys looking for elk on the other side of the mountain, and they don't even know we knocked this one down unless they heard the shots. So we'll go pile and get them, and now starts the hard work.
Yeah, right.
You know? Hope you got your cleaning gloves.
I do, actually, back in my pack.
Hey, Steve, good shooting, buddy. It's a great bull.